Zero Junk is not your average junk removal company. With years of experience under our belt, we specialize in providing top-notch furniture junk removal services right here in San Jose. Whether it's office furniture, sofas, mattresses, or even commercial e-waste, we've got you covered. What sets Zero Junk apart is our commitment to care and protection. We understand that your furniture might still hold value, even if it seems ready for the junkyard. That's why we've assembled the best guided and trained team to ensure no harm comes to your furniture, your property, or any related items during the removal process. Zero Junk takes a wide variety of items, from office furniture and appliances to hot tubs and construction waste. And here's the best part: our prices are fair and transparent. No hidden fees. We even offer free, zero obligation and fastest quotes over phone calls and social media. So, you'll know exactly what you're paying for before booking our services. Booking with Zero Junk is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, pick a date and a 2-hour window that works for you. Step 2, we'll give you a call or send a text 15 to 30 minutes before arrival. And finally, if you're happy with the price, we'll haul away your old furniture and junk. So, if you're in San Jose and need professional, reliable, and eco-friendly furniture removal services, look no further than Zero Junk. Let Zero Junk take the heavy lifting off your shoulders.